We've got to pull this back now, guys, yes?
Yes.
I want 50 customers all agreeing to pay for their main course. Then we end on a high with a dessert. Robert, you team up with Lawson over there now. Nigel, you team up with Kevin and work as a team. Now, tonight's main course is a beautifully stuffed saddle lamb served with pommes puree and caramelised red onions. Saddle lamb. This has to be one of my favourite cuts because, look, you've got a double whammy, you've got two nice eyes of meat and these beautiful little fillets inside. A very lean meat, absolutely delicious.
Toasted cumin, salt, pepper, grind.
And then just rub it into the lamb. Cumin is a really nice way of bringing out the sweetness of the lamb. And then just mop it up.
Stuffing, apricots.
That's it. Out.
Pine nuts.
Again, these pine nuts have been toasted, so we're just improving the flavour every time. Salt, pepper. We're going to bind that together with a touch of olive oil. And it's a really nice Moroccan feel. Fruity, fresh, fragrant.
Stuff.
It goes down in the centre. There. And the smell of those apricots and the toasted cumin is extraordinary. Get your fillets and run alongside the stuffing and just nice and tightly roll that over. Just look at that.
Wrap Parma ham.
You've got this really nice marbling of fat running all the way through there. That just gives the saddle of lamb so much flavour. Lamb down, you lift that up, over and roll. Pull it nice and tight. Like we're making an amazing big Swiss roll. Just twist the ends opposite each other, in and out, in and out. If it's rolled evenly, it's going to cook evenly.
Chill 1 hour. Unwrap. Tie.
A loop around the outside of the lamb, loop it round, and then slide it over the lamb.
Olive oil.
Into the pan.
Salt. Pepper.
And the flavour of that cumin now, I can actually smell it. It's absolutely amazing.
Hot oven. 40 minutes.
It's important to leave the lamb to rest, so it just starts to relax. Therefore, it becomes a lot more tender.
Remove string. Carve.
First one through. One slice. And look, a beautiful lamb. And it smells so sweet. Delicious.
Lamb with apricot and cumin. Done.
That cooking.
OK, yeah. Robert, are we ready?
With the lamb tonight, I'm serving sauté spinach with pine nuts, chilli and garlic, creamy mashed potato and caramelised red onions.
This is a really nice thing to do with onions, and it just makes it sort of a lot more classier, caramelised, and it's a really nice way of having it as a proper vegetable.
Yeah,
yes?
right.
Let's go. We find the hottest part of the stove. Right, taste, please. Taste. A little bit of salt. And just a touch more vinegar in there, yes? Robert, how long for that first table, please?
I'm ready with mash. I'm ready with caramelised onion. I've just got to do spinach.
Right, a little bit of garlic, half a spoon of chilli. Sweat that off. Nigel, are we ready to go with 5? How long?
2 minutes.
5, just...
No, come on, you've got to speed up now, Nigel. There's one table, we've got 12 behind, so... How long?
2 minutes, chef.
Yeah, I mean, 2 minutes quickly, yes?
Yes, chef.
Let's go then, yes? Right.
Yeah.
I want you to come back on this one now, you know that. I want you to shine through this fucking main course. Spinach on, a little bit of seasoning, yes? Just wilt the spinach, yes? Toss the spinach, yes? See how quick it cooks?
Just lightly oil.
Lightly, yeah. I don't want it greasy, yeah?
Yeah.
OK? 5 portions. Where are the onions? Good. Mashed potatoes. Come on. I'll show you the first one. Let's go. Get your fucking hands off my hands. Watch.
Rob, thank you.
And just follow me. That's all. I'm not asking you to do anything difficult, Lawson.
OK,
But just all I want you to do right now, big boy, yeah?
Okay,
Is fucking wakey a little bit, yes? Watch. Don't sabotage it, OK?
OK then, chef.
Right, straight edge knife. Watch. Stay with me. A little bit of seasoning on there. Little bit now, that's it. Good. Now watch. Come on, Lawson, for fuck's sake. Move down, you fucking donut. Huh? Where's your vinaigrette? Oh, come on, Lawson, fuck me.
I'm here.
You make a fucking snail look fast. Move your ass, come on. Right, Robert, watch. Now, on, and then just glaze. That's how I want it. That is beautiful. You're a butcher, it's nice and pink, yes?
Yeah.
1 table down, 11 to go, and that's great. Now get a fucking move on, yes? Go, please. Go, table 6. And Lawson, you think I'm here as your fucking dusty bin?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, no, bollocks, mate. Move your ass.
All the flavours in the spinach were really good and the stuffing was lovely.
The creaminess of the mash, I just loved it. The tartness of the onions, I thought it was great. I'd love to criticise it, but I can't. It was perfect. My ideal dish.
Potato.
And you're scooping it, aren't you?
Just watch, just watch. Where's the spinach? Where's the onions? Come on, guys.
Already
Fucking hell. Let's go. Where's the spinach? What's all that burnt stuff in there? What did you burn? You burnt the chilli, all the black bits. Everything else is nicely done, but the chili's all black and burnt.
Okay, chef.
Yeah? Kevin, get some spinach on. Nigel, leave him to do that. You work on these plates. Come on. There's no point in cooking lamb perfectly, making the most amazing mashed potatoes, caramelised onions, and then we've got burnt spinach on there. Nigel.
No,
yeah?
chef. Sorry.
Start again.
Okay. So, Kev, more potato on, please.
OK, Jean-Baptiste, results of the main course.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay, so people who were not happy with the main course, it's 9 altogether. So
9 customers didn't want to pay for the main
didn't want
course.
to pay for the main course, yeah. Main reason is undercooked and cold.
So a little bit too pink.
Slightly too pink,
Were they from ladies, the complaints, or were they from men?
Both. Half.
Really?
Half of it, yeah.
Which is a big difference from the starter, yeah?
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah.
Now, yeah, let's finish on a high.
Yeah.
And you know, to be honest, the dessert's a summer pudding, so you can't really fuck that one.
Yeah, okay,
There's nothing
good.
cooked.
Okay.
Let's go. Yes?
Okay.
Yeah?